In other news, La Rolita is a Colombian electric bus run by women and it is changing public transit in the capital city of Bogota. The company employs many single mothers who want to do their job as best as they can. Bogota wants to reduce emissions by 15% by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. The company plans to take over public power care operator and develop a new plan for electric school buses. Some private parents didn't agree with what the company was doing, but La Rolita currently started operator now and provides social security and pension benefits for its employees. Drivers get a monthly salary of $376 and company plans to build on-site daycare center for its employees. But with more news, updates in our I'm joined here in CCN.